Are you still looking to do affiliate marketing? Well, if so, I have a free video training that shows exactly how I've been able to do this for roughly about 5 years. I've been able to teach students how to do this. It's been able to help me travel the world and live a very freedom-based life. And really, if you don't know what affiliate marketing is, still, basically you're just selling other people's products. That's what it comes down to. You don't have to do any product creation. It's one of the simplest ways to really start making money online, especially as a newbie. So if you would like to check out this free video training that I just put together, go ahead and click the button or the link that's on this page and I'll show you exactly how to do that. But with that said, I'm gonna show you exactly how to do this type of stuff here on this YouTube video, so make sure and watch all the way to the end. We're gonna jump on over to my computer screen right now and I'm gonna show you exactly how to do this stuff.
Alrighty, ladies and gentlemen. So first I want to talk about an affiliate program that I am using right now and show you a little bit of proof that it is actually working. That's one of the things that you'll notice around here on this YouTube channel. If you are new here, I always like to show proof. I like to show that I'm actually doing this because there's so many people out there that are claiming that they're doing all this stuff and they're not really doing it. So let me log into one of my programs that I'm a part of. This could be considered an affiliate network, but it's mostly just one offer. Okay, it's just one program. A lot of these other networks like ClickBank or Max Bounty, they have multiple offers in multiple different niches. This is just like one particular offer, pretty much. And it's just a little bit more in depth and a little bit more advanced, and it's just deeper, where you can earn bigger size commissions instead of just like little commissions as like some of the other affiliate networks. And we'll talk a little bit more about all this type of stuff, but I just want to log in and show you in real time what's going on, and I'll talk about the product within this program as well. So first I'm going to come over to the affiliate section and kind of just show you my commissions and what I've been doing lately, because it's, can change, things change, all that kind of stuff. So you can see today was $54, a little bit of a slower day. Yesterday was a little bit better, just over 1,000, and it was a Sunday, which is cool too. I didn't really do much. Actually went to the aquarium, just had some fun. Really didn't do any type of business yesterday. I kind of take the weekends off, but did get $1,000 commission that came through, and I'll explain why I got that big size commission. We did kind of slow down a little bit for the holidays, so now we're kind of just getting back in gear, but you can see the last 30 days has been just over 3,000, and in this particular program I've had months where it's sometimes as close to 9K. That's probably like my biggest month with this particular program. So this is called Legendary Marketer, but let's first explain a little bit more about affiliate marketing and how it really works. So I want to come over to the Sketchpad, and the big thing I want to share with you on this video, and again, if you want to go check out the more advanced stuff, go ahead and click the button or the link around here somewhere, take you over to the training where you can register and get access to the more in-depth stuff. But first I want to kind of explain affiliate marketing, how it works, and really what it's all about. Okay, so first and foremost, you're selling someone else's product. Okay, that's really what you're doing. You're earning a percentage of the commission because you are helping sell the product, but you don't have to create the product. You don't have to be the product owner. Okay, so basically how this works, and the best way to operate this, and how I've been doing it for roughly 5 years now successfully, basically what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to get traffic. Okay, excuse the terrible drawing. So I always like to get traffic from social media. Okay, so places like here, YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, those are like the main ones right now. So social media, any place anyone's really hanging out, and I like to kind of pluck them from the platform they're on, and then take them down this process that gets them to purchase something from me. Okay, so first you got to put something in front of them that's going to make them kind of bait them in, I don't know if bait's the best word, but just attract them in. Okay, get their attention. So you have to put up something like an ad or a piece of content, and really these are very similar things. An ad right here costs money, okay, and then content costs time. I don't even know how let's just say that's a clock. Okay, so content costs time because you have to put it up, and it's just you broadcast that to your social media following. But then ads, you're just advertising to anybody that you really want to, but it costs money. You can put your advertisements in front of anybody. So really what these come down to is that they're both content. Okay, an ad is content, a piece of content is content. It can be a video, it can be an image with text, it can be a variety of things. I like video, obviously, you can see from this video, but you're putting that in front of people and you're having like a message in front of it saying, hey, free training how to make money online, free training how to lose weight. And it's got to be, in one of those niches that attracts people in, that people are willing to buy stuff in. Okay, so the three big ones are health, wealth, and relationships. So you put this piece of content, let's say it's a video, you put it in front of people, and then it's like, hey, how would you like to learn how to lose weight? And they say, yes, okay, they sell your content, and then basically the content says, click here and go to my website that will give you the free training on teaching you how to lose weight. So it takes them and they go here and they go to a page like this, which is often called a capture page, okay? And I'm just explaining the best process that I know and the most long-standing practice that has longevity with it. So they put their email address in here, and that's what they're required to do. They have to put their email address in to see the free training. And then basically what happens is two things at the same time. They put their email address in, so then they're added to this email database over here. So then you can continue to follow up with them. And then that is actually where you deliver the free training. You send, hey, I'm going to be sending it to your email address. They send it to their email address. But here you also have a place for them to purchase something. Usually it is a video sales letter, and it just sells them on like a program that teaches them how to lose weight, a little bit more advanced. So it's always like starting smaller or like kind of broad and just a little bit of value, and then every step they go, you get a little bit more value, a little bit more value, a little bit more value, and then the higher the value, the more you can charge, okay? But what's going on here is usually this right here is the process, and this is the place that it is an affiliate product, okay? So when someone comes in and they purchase that, you make a commission. Depends on how much they're paying, but that is the structure, okay? So let me talk a little bit more about Legendary Marketer and why, how it works, what the product is, how I make commissions. First and foremost, I want to tell you right away is that I'm making 40% commissions with Legendary, okay? So if I got paid that $1,000 in a single day, that means I had to sell a $2,500 product, and that's why I kind of like the high ticket model of affiliate marketing better. You can make higher level commissions. Okay, you still can make some decent money on ClickBank, Max Bounty, those type of things. But with programs like Legendary, you can make higher level commissions. I'll show you what that's all about. Okay, so let's come into the products first and foremost. Now, with Legendary, I do the same type of thing. I pluck people from social media, I send them to a training video, and then I email them the training video, and then after they submit their email, they go and they can see a video that explains Legendary Marketer, why they'd want to get joined up. When they do purchase, they pay $30 and I make $18. Okay, that's just on the front end. All right, and then we have other products, but I follow the exact same process that I'm talking about with Legendary Marketer to make sales in Legendary Marketer, but there's just more upside, okay? So the $30 product is the Marketers Club. So let's come over here and I'll show you what exactly the Marketers Club is. Come into products, here's the Marketers Club. And what they like to frame this is like the Netflix of marketing and business, okay? So it's like a place where you come in and you can learn all the business and marketing strategies, and it's good stuff, okay? So they are live classes. They're at this point, they're always at Mondays. They're always on Mondays at 3 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So they're actually another one's coming up here in just a couple hours. So they have that. There's live training, and then you also get these interviews with Kevin Harrington, Mark Harbert, Nathan Lucas, okay, big earners in this space. In addition to the Marketers Club, you also get the challenge, and this is a 15-day challenge, and you actually get a coach that kind of walks you through the process and explains things and makes sure that everything's making sense to you. So it's kind of more like hand-holding, and it helps you, understand it better so that you don't have to go at this stuff alone. Okay, so that is the first product. That's what you get with the $30 a month. Okay, you get the challenge, and then you get the Marketers Club. That is the product. That's what we're selling right there from the video sales letter. Okay, person purchases $30, $18 goes into my bank account, or it goes in my merchant, and then or my processor, and then I can obviously transfer it to my bank account. Okay, the next product is this business blueprint. Okay, and I won't go into a whole lot of depth because I've talked a little bit about these type of courses in a lot of my other videos on this channel, but basically let me just kind of briefly explain them. They have the same thing here. They have a live training, so you can come in, ask questions, get more advanced training on there. So it's live training, which is really nice. And then they also teach you 4 different models on how to make money with your business. Okay, whether you want to do an affiliate marketing business, as I've been discussing on this video, and obviously I go into a lot more depth on our free training. So again, if you want, click the button, it'll take you over to that. So affiliate marketing is really good. Digital products is really good. It's also known as info marketing. So basically, if you're an expert at something and you want to sell your information as like an ebook or a video course or an audio course, do a digital product, an info product, and basically you can just sell people your stuff, and instead of splitting the commission or earning a percentage of the commission, then you're earning the whole commission, and you can actually get help from other people sending you traffic instead of you being the affiliate marketer. You can get other affiliate marketers to send you traffic, so it's a very leveraged way to go. The other way is events and masterminds. This is a little bit more advanced, but you can definitely make a lot of money if you do it right here, and that's something I'm starting to get into. And then coaching and consulting. And coaching and consulting basically is just like trading your time and for your advice. Instead of packaging up your advice into like an ebook or a video course, you're just getting on Skype calls or maybe even in-person calls, whatever you want to do, FaceTime, and you're just teaching people and explaining, hey, you should do this, you should do this. Let me look at your business, or let me look at your weight loss regimen, your workout regimen. Okay, now you should be tweaking, do this, 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 and you can oftentimes charge a lot of money if you're doing the coaching consulting model, because you're giving your time. It's not like a job where you're just like trading time for money and you're just like making $10 an hour. Like I know people that are charging $1,000 a month, $2,000, $5,000, $10,000 a month, even more for coaching and consulting. So those are the products, and they're all digital products. Okay, they're all video courses that teach you this type of stuff in addition to the live training. Okay, so that's the rundown of what this product is. And then they also have an affiliate program where you can earn commissions on this. So when I sell the $30 course, because I brought someone to the sales video, sells them on the $30 course, then I get an $18 commission. Now at the same time, this business blueprints, this is the higher level course. So if you like the marketers club, stick with that, and you don't want to do anything more, stick with that. There's a lot of value in that. But if you want to take things up to the next level, you want to learn all this training as well, then you have to purchase the business blueprint, which is $2,500. And the coaches on the inside are the ones kind of helping explaining that to new people and that are coming in and saying, hey, if you like this type of stuff, then you definitely want to check out the business blueprints, which are $2,500. When the coaches sell one of these business blueprints, or the package of the business blueprints, then I still earn 40% of the commission. So $2,500, I earn $1,000 commission, and that's where that commission came from yesterday. Okay, so that's the rundown. I'm not really trying to really pitch Legendary Marketer so much on this video, but more so just explain the model of affiliate marketing. So a lot of people teach you to go to ClickBank, which is fine, Max Bounty, which is fine. There's other networks out there as well, which are all fine. But the reason I like Legendary is because, one, I really believe in the product, and that's a big contingent. Is like, if you're selling something, make sure you 100% believe in it. And I actually purchased Legendary. I know the products. I like the products, so that's why I sell the products. Okay. So that's the big thing. And then the other thing is that it can be high ticket. There's the front end where it's $30 a month, where those can be residual payments. But then we have, we can earn bigger level commissions because it has higher level prices on their content, okay, or on their courses. So that's why I like Legendary, but it's the same type of thing. No matter what you're doing, you want to follow this model, whether that's ClickBank, Max Bounty, Commission Junction, whatever it is. You want to pluck people from social media with your content, send them to a capture page which collects their email, provides them with a free training of some sort, sends that to their email, and then offers them something right away. A lot of people will not purchase right away. That's why you want to get their email address so you can send the lead magnet, the training, to them, but then you also want to continue to follow up with more emails, and you just continue to send them emails, and that's how you continually give value and provide more information and knowledge and how to help them, but then also offer them things to purchase as well. Okay, so again, guys, thank you for watching this video. I do appreciate your time. Just want to kind of show you some proof that this stuff works, but also kind of give you the understanding and the framework to affiliate marketing. Okay, so hopefully that helped out. If you guys do want to go check out the more advanced training on this type of stuff, click the link that's on this video, or maybe it's down in the description or somewhere around here. Okay, guys, but thank you for watching this video. Do appreciate your time. If you have any questions, feel free to contact me. Leave some questions down in the comments, or shoot me a message on Instagram or Facebook or wherever. All the links are down in the description. Make sure to subscribe to the channel if you have not already, and I look forward to seeing you on the next video.
We're the perfect team. You're my dream.